Hey guys, Rana here, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can add table of contents in your WordPress site like this. By adding the table of contents in your web post or any area of your website, reader can read your web post easily. Let's say you have more than 2000 or 3000 word long post. Instead of scrolling down like this, reader can read entire web post easily using the table of contents. So let's go ahead and let me show you how you can add table of contents in your WordPress site. To add table of contents on your WordPress site, we are going to divide this video into two parts. In part 1, we are going to install a special plugin. In part 2, I'm going to show you how you can use that plugin. So let's begin with our part 1. First, let's hover your mouse over plugins and then click on add new and search the plugin Easy Table of Contents and install this plugin and then click on activate. Once you activate this plugin, and let's move with our second part. Now let's go to the settings of table of contents. So here you can enable table of contents on any area of your WordPress site. Let's say you want to enable table of contents in your post. You can simply check this box. You can enable this plugin on your pages or any area of your WordPress site. Once you do that, simply scroll down and click on Save Changes. And now let's go to your website, visit site. So let's say you want to add table of contents in your web post. To do that, let's open any post. Let's open this post right here. Now if you scroll down, you can see there is no table of content right here. To add that table of content into your post, simply edit that post in which you want to add table of content. In this example, we are going to add table of content into this post. Now scroll down. You will see a new section called Table of Contents. Let's insert Table of Contents by checking this box. Now you have to select the heading that you want to show in your table of contents. For this specific post, I have heading 3 and heading 1, right? So I would like to select heading 3 and 1. Once you do that, click on update. Let's click on view post. Now scroll down. You can see that we have table of contents. By clicking over here, you can collapse that or you can expand that once again by clicking on this button right here. So this is the table of contents. If someone going to click on any heading, they will jump to that specific area of your web post. How cool it is, right? But I think there is a one downside. If someone wants to go back to that table of contents, they have to keep scroll up until they see this table of content. I have a little trick to fix that problem, so make sure you watch this video till the end. In the end of this video, you will learn how to fix that problem so that people can jump to the table of contents anytime or they can read by clicking on any specific heading, right? So now I'm going to show you how you can add table of contents on each post of your website without open and edit them. So how we're going to do that? First, let's go to your home page of your website and let's open this post right here. And you can see that there is no table of content here. And we are going to add table of content on this post without even editing them. Let's close this tab and come back to this web page. And here you will see a section called Auto Insert. Check this box. It will allow this plugin to add table of contents on each post of your website without even editing them. Once you do that, simply scroll down and click on Save Changes. Let's go back to your website. Let's open this post. If you scroll down, you can see we have table of contents on this post. If you want to remove any heading from this table of contents, you have to click on Edit this post. Let's say you want to remove this heading. Copy the heading, scroll down. Under the table of contents, you scroll down, you will see a section called Exclude Heading. Paste that heading that you want to remove and then click on Update. Let's go ahead, click on View Post. You can see that that specific heading has been removed from table of contents. If you want to remove multiple headings, you can do that as well. Let's go back to your edit section, scroll down. Let's say you want to remove this heading. Copy the heading and scroll down, and here paste that heading. In between both heading you have to use this separator. Copy that separator. In this example, this is just a pipe. By using this pipe, you can exclude multiple headings from your post. Once you do that, click on update. Let's go ahead, click on view post, and now scroll down. You can see that we just get rid 2 headings from table of contents. And now let me show you how you can remove entire table of contents from your post without even removing auto insert feature. How you can do that? Copy the path of that specific post in which you want to remove table of contents. After your domain name, copy the entire link including slash, and come back to this page and scroll down. And here you will see limit path section. Simply paste that path of your post and then click on save changes. And come back to your post and refresh the page, and you can see that the entire table of contents has been removed from this post. And let's go back to that page and let's undo that. Scroll down. Let's remove entire path and then click on save changes. Come back to that post and refresh the page. Now I'm going to show you how you can use a sticky widget of this table of content so that your website visitor do not need to scroll up or down in order to read content of your website. Without that fix, let's say you want to read this heading, this area right here. And if you want to go back to that table of content, you have to scroll up and then you come back to that table of content. To remove this problem, we are going to add a sticky widget right side of this post. So let's go ahead and add that. First, let's go to customize and then go to widgets, default sidebar, and you can see that there is so many widgets right here. First, I'm going to remove them. Okay, let's add a new widget. Click on add widget and search for table of contents. I'm going to add this table of content. And now click on publish. Let's close this. So now you can see that we have same table of contents in the right side, in the widget area. Let's say your web post more than 2000 and 3000 words, which includes so many headings. To read that entire long post, reader has to scroll all the way down. In that time, this table of content widget will not stay here. To fix that problem, we have to install a fixed widget plugin. So let's go ahead and install that plugin. Let's go back to website and hover your mouse over plugins and then click on add new. And come over here and search for fixed widget and install this plugin. Click on install now and then click on activate. And now let's go back to website. Now we have to click on customize. Let's go back to widgets area and then click on default sidebar and open table of contents. And now you can see we have this section right here. Let's check this box, fix widgets, and then click on done and then click on publish. Let's close this. So if you keep scrolling down, this table of content widget stay right there. It's kind of sticky widget. Let's open different post. Let's open this one. If you scroll down, you can see that there are so many headings. Let's go ahead, click on conclusion. You can see that this sticky widget always stay right here. You can go back to that page again. Alright, this is how you can add table of contents in your WordPress site. So I hope you learned something from today's video. If you really did, don't forget to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this one. And don't forget to check out these 2 videos right here. So that being said, goodbye and I'll catch you guys next time.